Hey everyone, today I have here the Jetson Gen 1 electric bike. Originally this was $1,799, which is insane, especially considering the specifications. It has this rear motor, which is a 48 volt 500 watts motor. Given the size of the body, it's quite crazy to think about. It does have this large seat, it has these pedals to make it look like a bike, and it has a large front tire as well. It does have dual suspension, going over bumps really nicely. And this is the interface. It looks actually a lot like a real moped. And it does have 3 speeds. It can go up to 22 miles an hour in total, especially if you're going on the high end, and it does 3 different gears. It does have a headlight and daytime running light as well. It does have turn signals on left and right, has high beam and low beam, also has a horn as well. This Jetson was made in a time where e-bike laws were still adapting, and having pedals still classified it as a bike. I can go up to 10 miles an hour if I'm pedaling really fast on this, however it only has 1 gear when you're pedaling, so it's wildly inconvenient. This does have a key as well. Turn it all the way to the left and you're able to lock the steering column in place so people can't get away with it. Turn it to the center, you're able to unlock the steering column. Turn it to the right, you turn it on. Kickstand is just like any other moped kickstand. Just roll forward and we can go. Right, let's go take it. 48 volts here. Pretty decent. Let's get up and go. Brake stop really good. Yep, such a neat little scooter. And it's holding up pretty well after all of these years. Now the electronics that make this thing tick are under the seat. And to access that, we have to put the key in, and then we're able to pop this open. So right under here, we can see the Jetson battery, lithium 48 volt, 17 amp hour, motor 500 watts, top speed 20 miles per hour. This is the plug that goes into the battery. And that goes into the charger. It does have this controller as well, which is a 48 volt 500 watts. Imagine upgrading this thing, probably make it a lot faster. It also has this breaker up here, which I had to replace once. Here's a closer view of the front suspension and the rear suspension as well. So now I'm just trying to bike and see how fast I can get this thing to. 5 miles an hour. Yeah, especially with how big this is, it's pretty inefficient. Very cool bike for its time, but it's definitely showing its age. I have something else to show soon. Thank you for watching.